Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase SEO rankings with Moz, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Moz account if you haven't done so already. Visit the Moz website and click on the sign up button. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and complete the registration process. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Moz dashboard. Begin by conducting a keyword analysis using the Keyword Explorer tool. Enter your target keyword into the search bar. Review the keyword metrics presented, such as search volume and difficulty. Select related keywords that have a good balance of volume and low difficulty. Next, analyze your competitors using the Site Explorer tool. Enter your competitors' URL to assess their SEO strategies. Take note of their top-performing keywords and backlink profiles. Now, optimize your own website's content based on your findings. Incorporate your selected keywords naturally into your content. Ensure that your title tags, meta descriptions, and headers include relevant keywords. Use the Moz on-page grader to assess your content's optimization level. Follow the recommendations provided to improve your on-page SEO. Next, focus on building quality backlinks. Use the Link Explorer tool to identify potential websites for backlink opportunities. Reach out to these websites with a well-crafted pitch for guest posts or link placements. Monitor your backlink profile using the Moz tools to track your progress. After implementing these strategies, check your ranking progress regularly. Utilize Moz's rank tracking feature to monitor your keywords. Analyze your results and adjust your strategy as necessary. Continue to produce high-quality content that aligns with your keywords. Stay updated on SEO trends and algorithm changes to maintain your rankings. With consistent effort and the right use of Moz, you can steadily improve your SEO rankings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.